Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this and turn it into that. Like it never even happened. Alright, so I had a tenant just recently move out. Lord only knows. A dog, a cat, a triceratops, who knows what happened. But either way, so this is fairly simple. I'm going to take some plastic wood. You can get this, from, a lot of your big box stores. And I'm just going to, cover that in plastic wood. I'm going to sand it down and paint over it, and we're going to be done. So it's a little video of me getting some plastic wood out, obviously trying to do it one hand while I balance my phone. Obviously, I'm not the best multitasker, but you're gonna see me put a little bit on there. Obviously, bad camera angle, but this is what it looks like after the fact. So I'm zooming in. So if you notice, right, I'm didn't really do the best job, but the most important thing is it's covered, right? And it doesn't have to be perfect, because once you sand it down, you're going to see kind of what the result looks like. So here's what it looks like, after it's dried, right? This has been, drying. I want to say this was after about 24 hours, I believe. I'm not sure specifically. I just gave it 24 hours. You may not have to actually give it full 24 hours, but, so this is me coming back to it. I got my nice little hand sander there. Of course, I started on the wrong side. Noticed it, as I was making this video, so I decided to turn it over. We all make mistakes, but you just want to basically just sand it down. I'm not going to show you the whole entire thing, but just sand it down to where it's pretty fine, where you can kind of, rub your hands, over it, and it feels pretty smooth. Again, still not the best camera, I'm shooting the floor, but I'm just kind of trying to give you a general idea of what it looked like. That's it after. I did sand it down a little bit. I just wanted to kind of show you what it looked like. You're going to get some particles on the ground, and I pretty much cleaned it up with my shop vac. And here's, me getting some paint, and I'm going to paint over it. And this is really, where you're going to kind of hide those, imperfections. Keep in mind, it's for the most part, it's trim, right? It's a door jamb. Not many people focus in on that, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but, I just didn't like the way that it looked before, and here's what it looks like after. So, yeah, pretty simple and easy. You can do it. Doesn't take long. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.